It's really that warfighter focus, and that warfighter focus primarily being on weapons and aircraft survivability, because a lot of other institutions can look at additive manufacturing as it applies to relatively non-military applications, but that's really the purpose of AFIT, is to take existing technology or cutting-edge technology and focus on the warfighter application. So I teach the aircraft survivability course here at AFIT, and I'm incorporating additive manufacturing into the classroom. And so what we're doing there is we're letting the students design iteratively in SolidWorks and then take those designs once refined and build them with our 3D printer that we just got here at AFIT last March.
For the Air Force, it's kind of leading the way in the future. You know, in the past, everything was subtractive manufacturing, where you take like a solid block of material, and then you have to kind of maneuver it around in areas where you can remove that to gain what you want. Now, it's in the track of, okay, how do I add layers, you know, to create something as opposed to subtracting?
We've produced bars for testing, vibrational testing. We've also produced complex lattice structures, energy absorption structures, and we've also done research into different types of penetrating type warheads printed with additive manufacturing, and we've tested those at Eglin.
So 3D printing has opened up a lot of opportunities for me as a student to be able to express different creative ideas. We've used it in the classroom to come up with different models that we can use for testing and preliminary design processes, and it just allows us to expand beyond the limitations of traditional manufacturing.
So down the road, once we figure out part properties, build properties, different ways to assemble structures, we can reduce the logistic footprint. We can print parts next to the runway to do air battle damage repair, or even possibly augment the traditional manufacturing capability to print parts that have been obsolete. And so that's where additive manufacturing, the power of additive manufacturing, really comes to play and home for the Air Force and Department of Defense.